Godox Studio Flash Kit Review. Can this $200 setup make you look like a pro photographer? Tired of your photos looking like they were taken with a toaster? You've tried natural light, you've begged the sun to cooperate, and you've even bounced a flashlight off your ceiling. Still, your portraits are flat, your products look like mugshots, and every shadow feels like it's plotting against your brand. You're drowning in inconsistent lighting, weak shadows, and a complete lack of control. Let's be honest, your creative vision is being held hostage by weak gear. And worst of all? You're wasting hours trying to fix it in post. Ugh. Now imagine that pain on a deadline. You've got a client breathing down your neck, a shoot scheduled for tomorrow, and you're still fiddling with duct-taped lamps and wrinkled bed sheets pretending to be diffusers. Meanwhile, every blown highlight and harsh shadow is one step closer to losing that gig, or worse, never being taken seriously as a pro. The stress is real. You're spending more time troubleshooting than actually shooting. And let's face it, your dream portfolio isn't going to build itself with subpar tools and YouTube hacks alone. That's where the Godox Professional Studio Flash Kit changes everything. This all-in-one lighting beast gives you two powerful 180-watt strobe monolights, buttery soft 50 by 70 cm softboxes, reliable stands, and a wireless flash trigger that syncs everything like magic. With 5600K true white balance, built-in cooling, and stepless flash control, you finally get clean, pro-grade light that just works. No more guessing. No more wasting golden hour. Whether you shoot fashion, products, kids, or moody portraits, Godox gives you full creative control without the full studio price tag. Say goodbye to harsh lighting and hello to flawless glow. With high-speed sync at 1/200th of a second, and instant wireless triggering from up to 30 meters, this kit lets you sculpt your scene exactly how you imagine it. Smooth skin tones, perfect product shadows, even lighting across your setup, all with fast recycling and consistent results. Easy to set up, even easier to fall in love with. Whether you're leveling up your content game or finally opening your dream home studio, this kit's got your back. Curious how it stacks up against gear 5x the price? Click below and see it in action. Ready to shoot like the pros without spending like one? The Godox Flash Kit is flying off the shelves because creators like you are done settling for mediocre. Join thousands of photographers and content hustlers who already upgraded their game, without blowing the budget. But don't wait, stock is tight, and demand is wild. Hit that link, claim your power, and start creating the kind of work that actually gets noticed. Lights. Camera. Level up. Your next masterpiece deserves better lighting. Grab it now before it's gone.